from south. They're gonna come from south. Reconnecting is here, so we're gonna take the fight. Everyone, when you find the crown this month, everyone food up and OC, we're walking northwest. We're walking north. We're going to fight now, We're walking north. Everyone spread out, Spread out. Only walk north. We're gonna defend the hideout. We're gonna engage east side. Everyone look east side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Can you delete that? Okay, come back south. Have everyone come back. Come south. Okay, everyone, nice one. Come south, then east. Don't go down the choke. Don't go down the choke where we went. Yeah, come east. Everyone come east. Huwag kayo bababa ng choke. Okay, we're walking north again. We got 2 engages in 2 seconds. North, everyone find the crown north. By the puno. Okay, everyone, after the engage. Observe. Engage siya. Directly, east side, sa may puno. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa may puno. Can you kill that? Okay, come back west side. West side to the ice. West side. Take west side tayo. Okay, so west side to the ice. If you need use, come west side. West side, everyone. Help the front, everyone. Help the front, everyone. Come west side. We're gonna engage east side in 8 seconds. 8 seconds, everyone. Keep coming west side. Keep coming west side to the hideout. East side, everyone. East side sa may mga barrels. Sabay barrels in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly lang shallow natin. Ito na. Delete this. Kung delete this, everyone damage. Come north. Where's the allies? Come north of the hideout. Everyone. North of the hideout. Pats, everyone. Observe that. Are still good? Yo, everyone, what's happening? Come north to the allies. Patay ako. Take over. Yo, I'm regearing. Yo, most of us are, can you, allies,
Reconnecting, just hit mid.
Yeah. Keep, play with allies. I'm gonna be regearing.
I died.
Yeah, coming back.